Everyone, as we have already completed till question number 4 of our exercise 3.6, in which we have seen that how to find HCF by prime factorization, and we have seen only for two numbers. So today we are going to see to find HCF by prime factorization of three numbers. So first is given fifth question 15, 25 and 30. Here we have to find the HCF of 15, 25 and 30. So first we will find its prime factorization. So 15 is given. 15 is an odd number, it means it is not divisible by 2. So we have to take here 3. How many times 15 comes here? 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So the prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiply 5. Then 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now then 30. It is 2. 30 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. How many times? 15 times. So 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So the prime factorization of 30 is 2, 3 and 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now we'll write its factors. So factors of 15 is 3 multiply 5, 25 5 multiply 5 and 30 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now we have to see the common factor. So you can see the common number is here is only 5 which is common which is in all the three number. That you can see 3 is in 15 but it is not in 25. Again it is in 30. So 3 should be in all the three number, but 3 is not in 25, so we can say that it is not a common factor. So here only 5 is a factor which is common in all the three number 15, 25 and 30. So highest common factor of 15, 25 and 30 is 5. Now sixth one, 54, 108 and 144. Now you can see again 54 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 54, how many times? You can find like this: 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. It means 54 is divisible by 2 27 times. So you have to write here 27. So 2 27s are 24, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 2, 3, 5, 3 and 3. These are the factors of 54. Now 108. Again 108 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. How many times? 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then again 54 came, 2 2s are 4 and here 1 is left, so it can be written as 14. So 2 7s are 14. Then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors of 108. Now 144. Again you'll see 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6 and here 1 is left, it means 12. So 2 6 are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we'll check it by 3. And 9 is divisible by 3 how many times? 3 times. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors of 144. As you have already done how to find LCM and HCF in your previous classes, so you can find it easily. Now write the factors of all the number. 54. So 54 factors are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Then factors of 108 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Same way you have to write all the factors of 144. Now see the common factors. Which are the common factors of 54, 108 and 144? Now you can see here 2 is given all three number, it means 2 is a common factor. After that you check 3. Here also 3 and this also 3, here also 3. It means second common factor is 3 here. Now again check, you can see that one more 3 is common in all the three number. So the common factors are 2, 3, 3. Other than that you can see here 54 and 108 both have 3 number, 3 factor, but 144 does not have any extra 3. It means it is not a common factor. So only the common factors are 2, 3 and 3. Now multiply this. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So you can say that the HCF of all three numbers is equal to 18. Now 7th one, 91, 112, 49. Now you can see that 91 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. You can check by 3 also. If you divide it by 3, 3 3s are 9. Here 1 is left, it means it is not divisible by 3. So check it by 4. Again till 6, it is not divisible in a number, so it is divisible by 7. How many times? 13 times. You can divide it. 7 ones are 7, then 21, 7 3s are 21. It means it is divisible by 7. How many times? 13 times. Then after that 13 ones are 13. Same here, 112, 2 5s are, if you divide 112 by 2, so 2 5s are 10, then 12, 2 6 are 12. It means it is divisible by 2. How many times? 56 times. Or you can find the answers directly also here. 2 5s are 10, here 1 is left, it means 2 6 are 12. Then again 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 5 minus 4 1, and 16 is came here, so 2 8s are 16. Then 14, 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14, and 7 1s are 7. So these are the factors of 112. Now 49. 49 is divisible by 7. How many times? 7 7s are 49, and 7 is divisible by itself, so 7 1s are 7. Now write all the factors. 91 factors are 7 into 13. 112 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. And 49 factors are 7 multiply 7. Now you have to see the common factor. Here you can see the common number, the common factor which is in all the three numbers are only 7. So highest common factor of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. And 8th one, 12, 16 and 21, this is your homework. Now see question number 2. Now see the different method to find the HCF. Find HCF of following numbers by division method. As we are finding how we are dividing two numbers using long division, like this way we have to find here. First one, 72 and 90. So first see the greatest number here. Here greater number is 90. It means you have to divide the greater number by smaller number. So divide 90 by 70. Now so 72 ones are 70, 72 ones are 72. Now minus this. So if you take borrow from here, it will be as 8 and 10. So 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 7, 1. Now this divisor will become, you have to divide this divisor, first divisor by first remainder. So 72 will come inside. Now you can see 18 4s are 72. So 72, now the remainder came here 0. It means our HCF is 18 here. You have to divide till we did not get the remainder 0. So 18 4s are 72. It means here remainder came 0. So final, the last remainder will be the HCF of our number. So hence HCF of 72 and 90 is 18. Let us see question number 2. 625 and 250. So here we have to divide the greater number by smaller one. So divide 625 by 250. So first we'll take the number which we have to take 250 table that much time, so that the number should be equal to 625 or it should be less than 625. So 252s are 500. Now minus this, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 5, 1. Now this first divisor will be divisible by first. This is the first remainder, so you have to divide first divisor by first remainder. Now this 250 will come inside. So you can see that 125 2s are 250, and if you minus this, the remainder is 0 here. It means 125 will be the HCF of 625 and 250. So HCF is 125. Now third one, 178 and 623. So 178. Now if we take it 2 times, it will be 8 to the 16, 7 to the 14 plus 1 15, and 2 ones are 2, 356. It means it is not near to 623. Now you can check for 3 times. 8 3s are 24, 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23, then 2 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5. It means 534 we have to take. If we take 170 into 8 4 times, it will be greater than 623. So we have to take only till 3 times. So 178 into 3, which is equal to 534. Now minus this. So we'll take from here 13 minus 4, 9. Again we cannot subtract 3 from 1. So we'll take borrow from here. It will be as 11. 11 minus 3, 8. So 89 is the remainder here. Now divide the first divisor by first remainder. So 178 will come inside, and you have to divide by 89. You know that if we divide 89 to the 178, if we minus here, so it remainder is 0. It means the HCF of 178 and 623 is 89. Same here you have to solve question number 4, 144 and 180. So you have to divide 180 by 144 in this question. Now question number 3, find HCF of the following numbers by division method. Here also we have to find the HCF using division method only, but instead of 2 numbers, here 3 numbers are given. So first you can take any 2 numbers which you want. So we have taken in this question HCF of 472 and 708. So first divide 708, the greater number, by smaller number 472. If we take 472 2 times, 472 to the, it will be as 944, and it is greater than 708. It means we have to take only 1 time. So it will be 472. Now minus this. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. 10 minus 7, 3. And 6 minus 4, 2. Now this first divisor, the first divisor will come here. Now you have to divide the first divisor by first remainder. So 236 to the, now divide 236 by 472 by 236. So it will be as 236 to the 472. So the HCF will be here. Now you can see the remainder came here 0. So our HCF of 472 and 708 is 236. So HCF of 472 and 708 is 236. Now here you can see the third number is left, 1239. So you have, now you'll find the HCF of this 236 and 1239. First we'll find the HCF of 2 number, 472 and 708. The answer which we will get, we have to divide, we have to find the HCF of that number with the remaining third number, which is 1239. Here you can see 1239 is greater than 236. It means you have to divide this number by this one. So if we take 236, how many times we have to take? 5 times. So it will come less than 1239. Now minus this, so answer will be 59. Now we have to divide the first divisor 236 by first remainder, which is 59. And if we take 59 4s, so answer will be 236. It means here the remainder is 0. So 59 4s are 236, and if we minus 236 from 236, the answer gets 0. It means the last remainder. So this one is our HCF. So the HCF of 472, 708 and 1209 is 59. Same here, second one, 120, 144 and 168. Again we can take any 2 numbers. So we have taken 120 and 144. So divide 144 by 120. If we take 2 times, it will be 240, which will be greater than 144. So we have taken only 1 time. 121 ones are 120. Now minus this, 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Now this first divisor, we have to divide by first remainder. This 120 will come inside. And 25 4s are 120. So the HCF of 120 and 144 is 24. Now we will find the HCF of 24 and 168. So HCF of 24 and 168. Again we will divide the greater number by smaller number. And We know that 24 7s is 168. So the final answer, the HCF of all the three numbers 144, 168 and 120 is 24. Then question number 3. See the next question, 435, 580 and 1218. First we'll find the HCF of 435 and 580. Again we'll divide greater number by smaller number. So 435 ones are 435. Now minus this 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4 and 5 minus 4, 1. Now you have to divide the first divisor by first remainder. So 435 will be we have to divide by 145. And if we divide this, we'll get 145 threes are 435. It means this one will be the HCF of 435 and 580. So the HCF of 435 and 580 is 145. Now we have to find the HCF of 145 and 1218. Now divide 1218 by 145. If we take 145 into 9, it will be greater than 1218. So we will have to take only 8 times, which is equal to 1160. Now minus this 8 minus 0 8, 11 minus 6 5 and 1 minus 1 0. Now this first divisor will come inside it. We have to divide by 58. Again we'll divide 58 to the 116. Now minus this 29. Now which one will come here? This first remainder we have to divide by second remainder. So 29 you have to divide 58. Now this 58 will you have to divide by 29. So we know that 29 to the 58 and we got the remainder as 0. It means the HCF of this number is 29. So you can see that the HCF of 435, 580 and 1218 is 29. You can see question number 3rd, 210, 287 and 301. Same fifth one, 210, 437 and 630. In both question you can take any two numbers and you can divide, and you have to find the HCF of all the three numbers using this long continuous division method. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. First one, HCF of two odd number is always an odd number. We know that we have to take any two odd number. So we have taken 5 and 7. Now find the HCF of 5. So it will be 5 ones are 5, and if we find the HCF of 7, 7 ones are 7. It means its factors are, we have to write like this, 5 into 1, and factors of 7 are 7 into 1. So the common factor HCF will be here 1 only, and we know that 1 is also an odd number. So you can say that the HCF of two number is always an odd number. If you find the HCF of any two odd number like 7, 9, 11, 13, the answer will always an odd number only. Second one, the HCF of two number is always dash number. So let us take two even number. We have taken here 4 and 6. Now find the HCF of 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 6 is 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the highest common factor, here you can see the common factor is only 2. So and 2 is an even number. We can say that the HCF of 2 in even number is always an even number. Third one, the HCF of any two consecutive odd number is dash. Consecutive odd number means one after the other. So we have taken here two odd number. Let us take 3 after 3, which is the next odd number, 5. So the prime factor of 3 is 3 into 1 and 5 is 5 into 1. Now see the highest common factor here. Here the common factor is only 1. So we can say that the HCF of any two consecutive factor is 1. Now fourth one, the HCF of any two consecutive even number is dash. Again let us take any two even number. We have taken the two number even number is 2. So the prime factorization of 2 is 2 into 1 and prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2. Now again take the common factor here. So here common factor is only 2. So we can say that the HCF of any two consecutive even number is 2. Now last one, the HCF of any two consecutive number is, consecutive we know that one after the other. So let us take any two number. So after we have taken here 2 and 3. After 2, which is the next number? 3. So the common factor of prime factorization 2 is 21 and 3 is 3 into 1. Again find the highest common factor here. Here you can see that the common factor is only 1. So we can say that the HCF of any two consecutive number is 1. We can take another example here, 7 and 8. Again, what is the factor of 7? 7 into 1? 8 is 8 into 1. So here highest common factor is only 1. So the HCF of any two consecutive number is always 1. So today we have completed our exercise 3.6. On the next day for our class, we will see a new topic, LCM, how to find LCM by two different methods.